What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your profile picture in Capibara Go. So you might be wondering how to exactly change or update your profile picture here in Capibara Go. Well, updating it is fairly easy. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and open up Capibara Go here and access your account. Now in here at the top left of your screen, you should see your default avatar or your profile picture in this case. So let's go and click on it. Now from here, as you can see at the top left, again, you have that profile or avatar. So you also have that pencil icon on it. Now it means that it's actually editable. So if you click on it, you now have the option to change your avatar. Now the thing with avatars here in Capybara Go is there are certain conditions that you need to meet. Like for example, the next option here is we have Monopoly. Now the thing with this one is when you obtain when this a specific avatar is obtained when Monopoly reaches level 10. So you need to basically reach or let Monopoly go at least to level 10 in order for you to receive this. But yeah, so think of this as a way of showing that, hey, I received this specific achievement. So yeah, you could also change your frame here and your title if those are available. Again, there are going to be some requirements in order for you to get those. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.